Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are playing addicting games today, and this game is called Zombocalypse. Survival is futile, the end has just begun. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, we aren't playing Happy Wheels, really, because when I was playing it, it kept freezing up and saying the Adobe flash drive wasn't working, but alright, let's get into this game. There we go. Oh god. Alright, here we are into the game. Let's do this thing. New game. December 21st, 2012, 3 o'clock. Surveillance mission. Bravo team. Bravo team. Here we go into this game, bro. Alright, so what I'm understanding, yeah. Alright, here we go. There's no jump or anything. Okay, I gotta hold down to pick up a crate. Oh yeah, also, a lot of you might be asking why I'm wearing this headset. It's because when we were using the original... Oh, sniper. When we were using the original, it wasn't working. It was acting really weird. Oh, hello. This is actually a really well-made game, bro. Like, I've seen a lot of well-made games in my day, but this is good. Yes, I seriously just picked up a pistol over a sniper rifle. Oh crap, I already forgot how to use my score strikes. Dual pistols. Kill, 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 kill. Shotgun, you guys. Oh, take a shotgun on the face, why don't you? Alright, we're experiencing a bit of lag. There we go. Yes! Die! Haha. I think it was up. Oh yeah, it was up. Whoopsies! Missile strike. Oh, snap. Shotgun. This is actually going really well. Alright, you guys, so this game was developed by, I can't remember his name, but this game was developed by one of the makers, yeah, you know what I mean. Anyways, it was developed, and I think it came out a while ago on this, it like came out on, I can't remember, but it came out first on Addicting Games, and it went to another few sites. And so, it's just a really cool game. I like it and stuff. After this, me and Dalton were talking, and we were like, maybe they want to see more zombie games. Maybe they want to see more of this. Maybe they want to see more of that. And we were trying to do an Xbox One game, but we couldn't decide on either Overwatch, like training since I suck at online, or what's it called? PvZ, Garden Warfare 2. We couldn't decide on either of those, and we were like, maybe they want to see this, maybe they want to see that, maybe they want to see this or that. And we were thinking, and we were like, well, for the next Xbox One game, we should have Overwatch, and then have them debate if they want Overwatch or PvZ. And I was like, yeah, that'd be a good idea. And so we were, after this recording, we were gonna post it, then do an Xbox One game right after. But I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see. I'll ask Dalton when he gets back. I don't even know how I'm alive still, guys. Oh, make it to the pistol, make it to the pistol, make it to the pistol. Oh no. Oh, run away. There's a lot coming. Oh crap. Oh crap. We're not gonna make it through this. We're gonna end up dying, aren't we? Yep. Meh. Alright guys. I know this is a really short video, and I know you guys hate us when you do it, when we do it. But I'm gonna leave this video here. Like, oh snap. I'm gonna check out this stuff first, then I'll, yeah. What was I doing? Oh, right. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video here, and probably do an Xbox One game. So, yeah. Shout out real quick to these YouTubers, which are Markiplier, PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, and Mess Yourself. Really great YouTubers, one of my favorite. Go ahead and check out their videos if you haven't, and if so, then subscribe to them, you know, that kind of stuff. Also, we will be making an update on whether or not we're gonna be keep doing this kind of stuff. We'll decide on that, but yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.